Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I'm talking about invest in yourself. Now, when it comes to photography, when I started doing photography, you know what I started doing? I started going to Barnes and Nobles. Yes, Barnes and Nobles, and for a long time, I wouldn't even sit down in that place. I would get a book off the shelf, a thick photography book off the shelf. I would start reading it right there. For a long time, I didn't sit down because the only people I saw sitting down were Caucasians. So I didn't sit down. I would just read some of the book, take what I needed out of the book, or I would buy $60 books, $70 books. And all this time that I was taking going to Barnes and Nobles, what I was doing was investing in myself, investing in the craft that I wanted to pursue, which we all have to do. Anything you want to do in life, you have to invest time in learning that thing. If a doctor wants to be a doctor has to go to school for years to learn the field he's pursuing. Just like a nurse, just like a lawyer, a photographer as well. I invested time, and not just time, I invested money. I wanted to learn retouching. I paid for webinars. I paid for things on the web because that was what I was pursuing. A lot of people out there, the only people that have problems with people charging for things are people that want things for free. You can't get everything for free. You have to invest. And I don't look at what's leaving my pocket. I look at, if I learn this, what's going to come to my pocket. That's what I'm looking at. You have to invest in yourself as a photographer. People stop being cheap. People feel like I have to pay for information. I have to pay. People want to charge me for information. Yes, pay for it. Get it. Then charge other people. It's that simple. You gotta invest in yourself. You have to invest in your craft. You have to invest time. You have to invest money. There's a lot of things I wanted to learn. There was lighting techniques I wanted to learn. I had to invest. If I want photography gear, I have to invest. You want a camera, you want a lens, you want lights, you have to invest. You want backgrounds, you want light meters, you want memory cards, you want batteries. You have to invest. Nobody is giving up anything for free. The problem is people want photographers to give up everything for free, but they don't expect Sony to give them nothing for free. They don't expect Canon to give them nothing for free. You have to invest because Nikon is not going to give you anything for free either. And yes, I do charge to teach people retouching. I do charge to teach people lighting. And that's really not what this is about. But you have to invest in your craft if this is something that you want to pursue. But when I teach these one-on-ones, when I teach these workshops, it's not like I'm holding anything back. I'm giving you everything I know because I don't feel like there's no competition between me and you. We're not competition, we're a photography community. And today, I am just trying to encourage you to invest in yourself. Stop being cheap. Stop looking for everything for free. Invest, 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 invest. I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.